Hello everyone, this is Argham Mullik and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add two integer numbers in C programming language. By the way, this video is a part of my C programming playlist where I discuss about some basic solutions of C programming problems. Please check out the description box below to access the playlist. So let's get started with the today's video. First of all, I will go to the replit.com website. This is an online IDE which I am using right now to show you the code, and I will simply log in into my account. Okay, so login is successful. Here I have to create a new REPL. By the way, let me tell you, if you want to know how to start coding using your Android smartphone, I have a separate video for that. I will give you the link in the description. Please check out and watch the tutorial. As you can see, right now I am using this online IDE replit.com. So here I have to create a new REPL. So I will simply go to my folder and C programming examples with solution, this folder, and here I will create a new REPL. Here I have to choose the template. Let us choose C, and here I will give the title as 02_add. I am going to show you how to add two integer numbers in C language. So to keep the things organized, I have added this type of name 02, as this is the second video. So now this is the sample C programming code, also called boilerplate. So now here I will write the required code. So let me just comment out this thing, C program to add two integers. Now I will start writing the driver code. So here let's write printf, enter the first number. Here the user need to give some input as integer, and I will receive the input using this scanf function. Write $d because this is an integer input, and a because I will now create a variable a where I am going to store the user input. So I will write int a, and b because I am going to take two input from the user, and then I will add them, and after adding I will store the result in the sum variable. So let us initialize this sum equal to 0, and I will just duplicate the same thing to write the second input. Copy from here, paste it here. Now change the second variable into b and enter the second number here. So I will simply write second. Okay, so done. Next I will add the sum variable, sum equal to what is going to be our sum, which is a plus b. The value in the variable a plus the value in the variable b will store into the sum variable. So as the result, I will simply print the sum, right? So I will write the addition of two numbers, or you can say two integer numbers. Okay, so integer numbers are $d because this is integer, comma sum. The value in the sum variable is going to take place the $d. So let us run the code now. So here enter the first number. Let's write a number, let's say 12. Then enter the second number, let's write 23. Okay, so the addition of two numbers are 35. Our program is running successfully, so we are done. Again you can test the run. Let's write this big number 1 2 3 4 etc., whatever you can write, and the addition of two numbers will be printed on the screen. So here let's write a \n just to beautify the code. So the next line will be coming down as you see on the screen. Okay, so we are done. So this is how you can take user input in C language, and I hope you understand all these things, and I advised you to practice for yourself, and I will give you the source code in the description box. You can check out my blog page. So finally, thank you so much for watching till the end. So if you found this video helpful, please write to me in the comment section that this video is helpful so that I can create more such videos. At the start, I am just going through some basic problems. Later, I will dive into the deep. So goodbye for now. See you in the next one.